Low glycemic index foods. Here we will be looking at what is glycemic index foods and list few high glycemic index and low glycemic index foods. We will then quickly look at who will benefit the most with low glycemic index foods. Low glycemic diets are good for everyone, but the people who need these diets most are diabetics and those trying to lose weight. Foods are measured by GI glycemic indexing. What is glycemic indexing, GI? The glycemic index ranks from 1 to 100. This is the method by which foods are measured and shows the amount of food will raise blood sugar and insulin levels. The rate at which your blood sugar rises is very important in managing diabetes and weight maintenance. High glycemic foods are those that are quickly digested and turned into sugar. They will cause a considerable rise in high blood sugar. Foods ranking 70 or greater on the GI scale are considered high glycemic foods. Examples of these foods are: if you are new at this channel, remember to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Foods high in sugar or glucose are: baked or mashed potatoes, white rice, white not whole grain bread, cookies, cakes, muffins, donuts made with refined white flour. Junk foods. Low glycemic foods include some fruits and vegetables. They are 55 or less on the GI scale. Examples of these foods are: most fruits, apples, pears, oranges, berries, etc. High fiber grains, bran, whole grain wheats. Pastas. Whole milk. Low fat yogurt. Lentils. Whole grain cereals. Why use a low glycemic diets? High glycemic foods can cause weight gain and are dangerous for those suffering from diabetes. High glycemic foods increase your appetite and cause your body to increase triglycerides. They can also lead to weight gain. Cutting carbohydrates is not enough. You need to be aware of how all the food you eat measures up to the GI index. Protein foods such as cheese, eggs and fresh meat are not included in the GI index because they do not include large amounts of carbohydrates. Therefore, these foods can be eaten when you are on a low glycemic diet. Diabetes is a life-threatening disease when not taken care of, and it is very important to be aware of the glycemic index of the foods you eat. One of the first methods of treatment is to put these patients on a low glycemic diet. This will help them to lower their blood sugar levels and maintain a normal blood sugar level. Obesity. A low glycemic diet will also help you lose weight. Eating more protein foods and low glycemic foods will help you drop those weights, and when you maintain a low glycemic diet will help you sustain your weight. Eating in a healthier manner is just a matter of understanding the different foods and paying attention to what you eat. Educate yourself a little on which foods are high in protein and low in glycemic levels, and you will be able to improve your health and have more energy to do the things that are really important to you. Thank you for watching.